Hello, hello. Kylie here. I've just finished, not long finished teaching Yin for tonight. And if you're here with me live, jump on and say hi. I just thought I'd pop in and hang out for a bit and chat a little bit about tonight's Yin practice. We practiced Yin for sleep tonight. And it's, life, this human experience is enough of a journey, I think, just daily in general, let alone in 2020. And we know how important sleep is for us, right? And there are so many things that can affect our restful sleep. And I'd love to hear some of your tools, actually. This practice, we start with a Nadi Shodhana, nervous system balancing pranayama technique. And we start in a crook lying to release through psoas. We do a number of poses that allows our body layer to open. And we stimulate through the liver and the kidney meridians as well as the heart. And so while all these major organs are responsible for pumping blood and storing and releasing blood and cleansing through our water and distribution of energy, significant and important energy flows through the body, through these major organs, through the main meridians of these organs. In this Yin practice, we stimulate these organs to help the free flow of energy. And so, yes, there are certain things in our body while we can feel blocked and tension in physical muscles and joints. Our energy can be blocked also in these internal organs in these areas. And so Yin helps stimulate the energy channels so that the free flow of energy can really allow more harmonious function of the entire system of the body, but also the layers of our being. If you're here with me, say hello. I'm just hanging out and I'm here for any questions if you have any. We practiced Yin tonight and the replay will be up shortly. Actually, I'm just processing it and it'll be up in the sanctuary really soon. So I wanted to invite you to explore this Yin practice if you have found it difficult to find a restful sleep. Another thing that you can do to add to this practice is use some essential oils. So always becoming aware of the purity of the oils that you're using. Emily and I can and do highly recommend doTERRA because we know that they're 100% pure. And so you can use straight off the top of my head, 5 essential oils that are really great for sleep support. Lavender, because it has so many different uses, but chemical components in it that calm and restore the nervous system. Frankincense can help us sleep. You can put these on the soles of your feet or on your pulse points, the back of your neck. Roman chamomile can help calm all of the systems of the body, and certainly the nervous system. And so this is a really great one for practicing Yin with, restorative yoga, meditation practices, breathing techniques for when we want to calm and ground. Vetiver is a very powerful and supportive oil for sleep support. So vetiver is from the root of the plant, and it's a very earthy, it's quite a strong smell. Great to the soles, straight for the soles of the feet, and really great for helping you get into that long, restful state of sleep that really helps us restore. And another great one is cedar wood, very earthy, woody, calming to the nervous system, very grounding, and great for, again, all systems of the body and balancing internal systems. Frankincense is kind of the king of oils. We use that for everything. And so while you're using some of these, you're also getting nervous system, immune system, respiratory system, skin support health, digestive system health support in these areas of the body. And so while we work on areas of the body and the layers of the body through yin, opening through connective tissues, obviously different yoga, so slow flow can help us sleep more effectively as well. Vinyasa, or a faster, more energizing flow, does exactly that, stimulates the systems of the body. So best practiced in the morning when you want to wake up everything. And then yin and restorative, better practiced in the second half of the day or in the evening, so that we can really calm and ground everything down after being stimulated all day, which we are easily done in our daily lives. And so different breathing techniques that help us support a restful sleep are deep belly breaths, a gentle ocean-like ujjayi breath with your yin or restorative practice. Nadi Shodhana can definitely help to balance the nervous system and calm everything down. And you can do a 3-part breathing technique or box breath as well. And we'll do some little videos on these shortly to help expand on that. If you've got your downloadable video bundle package from Inside the Sanctuary, you can find some short videos in there on pranayama techniques. And if you've got any questions, absolutely give us a shout. And if you're on live with me, let me know you're here. Give me a wave if you've got a question. Please ask. I'd love to have a chat. So I'm just talking about helpful tools for restful sleep. We did a yin practice tonight. Some really delicious yin poses to help us enjoy a restful and restorative sleep. And if you have a much shorter period of time than 75 minutes is our yin practice, you can take any one or a set of these 2 or 3 poses out of this sequence and just do those over 15 minutes or something like that. You can break it up to a shorter period of time. And if you want one pose, the one pose, legs up the wall. So if you had 5 minutes and you were even at work and it was your afternoon and you were trying to get through the afternoon, you could find a broom closet with a wall and literally stick your legs up a wall or leaning against a shelf for 5 minutes and close your eyes. Notice the difference it will make for you. Huge. If you don't have a wall close by, you can lie down on your back and let your legs hang in the air. If you can, raise your sacrum up off the floor on a cushion or a pillow. If you have it, a bolster. Couch cushions work great. And if you need something a little more accessible, if you can't stick your legs straight up in the air, just rest them on the edge of your couch, lying on your back, legs in the air and legs up on the couch. I don't know if that's helping. This is your back, these are your legs, now they're on the couch. If you've got questions, please do ask. That may not have been the clearest demonstration. If you have any trouble accessing the yin practice tonight, please let me know. And a little announcement, class time changes now. Oh, before I get into that, let's just quickly recap. Yin and restorative yoga help support restful sleep. There are specific yin poses that help support restful sleep. We covered a number of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in tonight's practice. Essential oils are brilliant for supporting restful sleep. Lavender, frankincense, vetiver, cedarwood, and Roman chamomile. As a 5 just off the top of my head. If you have one of those, you could use them. There are some calming pranayama techniques to support restful sleep. And of course, meditation, mindfulness meditation. And Em might already have a pre-recorded one that you can find on our SoundCloud. If not, shoot her a message or myself and we can do one for you. Breathing techniques, belly breaths, in through the nose, out through the nose. Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing. Slow ocean-like Ujjayi breath, so a gentle, subtle Ujjayi with your restorative or yin. And you can do a 3-part or a box breath. Check your downloadable bundles for pranayama videos, or let us know and we can do a mini video in here as well. So on to announcements. You will have seen in the newsletter, hopefully you've got that and read that. If not, check your spam folder. We are starting in-person classes as of Monday the 22nd next week. So tonight was the last night of 8 p.m. live streamed yin. We're moving that time to a 6:30 p.m. yin. So those of you who are local can hopefully come along. We're going to do in-person and live stream the class. And Emily and I are going to jump on here tomorrow and do a video for you just explaining a few of these details about the new timetable. Super excited. So we're going to have still our online live stream classes. We're going to have our recorded videos available for you in the sanctuary to watch the replays whenever you like, for as long as you're a member. We are going to have, and we've released the timetable on our studio classes tab on the website. And so you can join us there. And limited spots, only 10 places. So please book ahead. Booking ahead is absolutely essential. We won't be taking walk-ins because we need to know numbers before, given the current guidelines, etc. And you must bring all your own props, okay? But we're going to go into this a little bit more detail tomorrow. I just wanted to come on here and have a chat and let you know some changes, especially about the yin class because the time is moving. And the Friday night restore class is also moving. So this week will be the last 8 p.m. Friday night restore class. And then we're moving that to a 6 p.m. Friday night restore, 75 minutes again. Okay. That will only be a pre-recorded pre-recorded on-demand watch on YouTube class. So no live streaming for that and no in-person for that at this stage. In-person classes will include the Tuesday night yin, the Wednesday night slow flow, and a Thursday morning energizing flow. So you can check out all the times and all the details on the schedule on the studio classes tab under our offerings in the menu. All right, if you're live with me and you've got questions, give me a shout. Otherwise, absolutely DM us. But Emily and I will be jumping on here tomorrow and telling you all of the details anyway. Okay, enjoy tonight's yin practice. Whenever you get the chance to practice it, I wish you all restful sleep, and we will talk soon. Okay.